guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is what's in the kit. What's in the new kit? The new kit is a travel kit, and in this kit you can make 4 projects. I made a suitcase, I made a folio, I made a traveler's notebook, and I made a loaded mini album. So 4 projects, 1 kit. I'm gonna show you what's all in it. Okay, first of all, you will see a little welcome note with a little measurements. Not needed. If you aren't buying the kit, you are not need to have this piece of paper. It's just a welcome note for the kit buyers. Alright, so this is a little welcome note. What else is in here? You will get 2 packs of the A4 format. There are 9 double-sided papers. And the collection is called Ciao Bella, and they are from Ciao Bella Paper Crafting. So you will get 2 of these. Then I made a selection of 20 12 by 12 papers. They are all the same. Some of them have 2 of these, or some other don't have exactly. Well, let's assume that they all are the same. Some are a bit familiar, but some are not. But they all have 20 sheets of Ciao Bella papers, where you can make all that I made. Real quick, showing you there's some pink in it. So they all matches together perfectly fine. And you can do it. Alright, so 20 sheets of the 12 by 12 Ciao Bella. Then I pre-cut the chipboard pieces for the traveler's notebook. And I pre-cut the pieces that's needed for the loaded mini album. That's inside. Then the thicker chipboard and the thinner chipboard for the suitcase. That's what's in it. And then you will get 3 of the notebooks that's needed for the traveler's notebooks. So they are lines. That's inside. You also get 50 by 130 centimeters of the black leather look bookbinder linen. So you will have enough for this, for all the belts and all the spines to cover up, and I bet you will have some left for your future project. So it's a ½ meter, so 50 centimeters by 130 centimeters long. So you will have quite a lot of bookbinder linen. Then I added just a little fun, some flowers in it, some ribbons in it, all the metals that it's needed inside of here, that circle that is needed for the round shape of the suitcase, and some elastic for the traveler's notebook. So everything is inside. So I hope you liked it. I hope you liked watching the walkthrough. So everything is inside, guys. Everything you will need to make this beautiful project. So you can make it all with all of these and 2 packs of these. And then you can make all these projects. You can. The tutorials are free to follow, for everybody to follow. Every measurement, every item, everything is be showing in the tutorial. So this is not needed for any measurements you need. It's just an extra. But everything is be watched in the tutorials. So everything is inside, guys. I hope you like it. And yeah, what else can I say? Give me a big thumbs up if you like this. And please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I hope you will have a lots of fun making these sets of your own. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye. I always need to say one little thing. I always say There is one thing missing in your kit, and you just saw that. The cardstock is not included. Never. It's never included because you need so much, and I can't tell you how much because I always work with big 250 packs of cardstock. I never count them. I just grab them. I always use my A4 Clairefontaine 160 grams. You can use any cardstock you like, any size you like, any color you like. Alright, but those are not included in this kit. Alright, but the rest, everything is inside.